Meaning of Iowa.
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 Iowa. Iowa is a state located in the Midwestern region of the United States. The name Iowa comes from the Native American tribe who once inhabited the area, the Iowa people. Iowa is known for its rich agricultural industry, with corn and soybeans being major crops. It is also home to several prestigious universities, including the University of Iowa, known for its highly regarded writing program. Iowa has a population of approximately 3 million people and is considered a swing state in presidential elections. Its capital city is Des Moines and its largest city is Cedar Rapids.